guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, and if you enjoy this video, make sure to hit the like button. So this is my first non-farming video, so if you don't like RC cars, I recommend that you watch my other videos. So if you haven't seen them already, check them out. So what I have here is a Traxxas Slash two-wheel drive, and I made a homemade obstacle course. So here we have the hill climb, and we also have the uneven hill climb. This side is steady and this one is up and then down and back up. And then we have the tester to see how far your car can go without flipping over. And I'll also be doing a speed test down the driveway, and by the shed we have a bunch of rocks, so I'll be doing a test there. And make sure to check out my machinery tours video. So I'll get my car all hooked up and get you guys a view on how it's gonna go with the obstacle course. Okay guys, so how this is gonna work is I'm gonna do the speed test first, and then I'm going to do the obstacle course and then the rocks. So let's do this speed test. It does about 30 miles an hour. Here we go. Everyone's got to do some donuts. Pretty dusty. So now let's do the obstacle course. Okay guys, so I'm gonna try and get you all the views I can, so let's go with the rear view first. So climbing up the first board, second, little bit of slip, no problem. Going up, and we're up and over. Let's do a little victory lap. Ooh yeah! Now I'll get you guys a side view. Guys, so here we go with the side view. We just have a plank here, plank on the other side that runs all the way up to the top, another plank, a ramp, two ramps, actually some 2x4s and other pieces of wood, and that's pretty much it. So let's go for a test here. Okay, coming up the first two boards, no problem. Going down, little bit of slip. Coming up the side, no problem. Do another little victory lap. Now I'll get you guys a front view. Okay guys, here we go with angle number 3. No problem really on this first board. Got a little bit of slip, front wheels coming off. Let's try and back out of this. Here we go, take number 2, going up, and we're on to the second board. And we made it to the top, no problem. Here we go. And we managed to save it, and we came off. Traxxas, let's go. Hey guys, so here's a quick view from angle number 4. Still on the hill climb. Gotta get lined up. Coming up the first, no problem. Little bit of slip. And it came up. Now let's try and get the hill climb without differential. Here we go, Traxxas / two-wheel drive, slipping a little, but it manages to get it over. Coming back down. Let's see what happens when we pin it. Little bit of slip, not much. Let's see if we can do it without slipping. Little bit of slip. Let's go a little bit slower this time. Here we go. Looks like we're hung up. Not gonna get there. Let's give it a little bit of test. Hung up again. Let's get a little run at it. Going slow, see if it can do it. Still just a little bit. But if you give it a run, it'll make it. Okay, back to angle 3. Let's see if we can get this thing how far before it tips over. Very impressive so far. Can't quite get it up. Let's adjust this just a little bit. It might help, it might not. Here we go again. I think we're getting hung up on the chassis. So let's slide this out just a little more, and maybe it'll help. Not quite gonna cut it. Well, I guess this was a flop. I guess it's hard to flip over a Traxxas. Okay guys, back to angle number 3, top of the ramp. Let's see how much this thing takes. Coming up. Spinning. It does kind of need new tires. We have them, but I'm going to wait till winter to put them on. So here we go. How much is it going to take? I guess we won't know yet. Let's get a little farther on the board here. Came off. Boy, I really do wonder how much it takes. Going for attempt number 3. Looks like we're still not gonna make it. There we go. I guess it's impossible to flip over a Traxxas slash. Guys, so here we go for the RC Traxxas slash. For its test on rocks. It's right by our shed here. And the rocks are about the size of my fist. We'll see how it handles. Here we're going. It isn't too rough for the car, I guess. It's handling it pretty good. Kind of throwing the rocks around even at the speed I'm going. Still pretty controllable. Now let's get a different angle. Okay guys, so I just saw these big rocks here that have been here for a while, and they're pretty packed in tight with the small ones, so I thought they wouldn't really wiggle around, so I'd give it a test and see how much it takes to get it up the slope. So here we go, trying to get it up. And I think we're gonna make it. I'm not sure if we'll make it or not, but you never know. Slipping on the other side. Threw a rock back. And we just so happen to be slipping back on the grass. Spinning on the other side. Right over there. I don't know if I'll make it. Back up just a little bit. Well, I guess I didn't really make it from the rocks, but I made it up. And I happen to be stuck in the grass. I don't know how that's happening. These things are really hard to get stuck. This is very surprising. Well, it doesn't look like it's getting out. Guys, so I'm gonna give it one last test here. And this is the real life test. So if it'd be put to scale, if it would work or not. And if you're wondering about the setting here, wait for an upcoming video to find out where this is. So here's a real life test. No problem on the dirt. Another one there. No problem at all. Try it again here. No slip at all. Now let's try the big hill here. Slipping a little. Can't quite make it up. Just spinning. Still slipping a little bit. Got a little bit of a bind here. Well, now let's try another angle test. Looks like it made it no problem. Maneuverability with this car is pretty amazing. And I'll see you all back where I was before. Guys, so that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for this video. If you enjoyed this video, leave a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. I know this video wasn't one of the best, but it was a lot of fun for me to film with this car, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to hit the notification button so you know when I post a new video, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye. Something that I wanted to add before this video is over. So on the front of my car here, there's a bunch of holes, and we actually made a snow plow for it so that when we get snow I can plow with it. So make sure to watch out for that video. It'll be a lot more fun than this one, and it'll be satisfying. So hope to see you guys all in the next video. See ya.